We know that a chemical reaction is a change that forms a new chemical or chemicals. Chemical equations are ways to express those reactions. Your textbook uses the term chemical reaction and chemical equation interchangeably, but a chemical reaction is the actual process, while a chemical equation symbolizes the reaction. It's what we write on paper. You may recall that some everyday chemical reactions include burning, rusting, and cooking food. Let's look at a chemical equation that represents a chemical reaction that might take place in the lab. Solid nickel, an element, reacts with aqueous hydrochloric acid, a solution of hydrochloric acid and water, to form aqueous nickel 2 chloride, a solution of water and nickel 2 chloride, and gaseous hydrogen, an element. The phase aqueous means dissolved in water. If you know how to balance chemical equations, you will notice that this equation is not balanced. We'll look at balancing equations later in the semester. Not all chemical reactions are obvious, but the reaction between nickel and hydrochloric acid can be observed through a variety of changes. Nickel is a shiny metal, and a solution of aqueous hydrochloric acid is a colorless liquid. When the hydrochloric acid solution is added to the nickel, the aqueous solution changes its color to green, and tiny bubbles are obvious. The bubbles are hydrogen gas, and the green color is due to the dissolved nickel 2 chloride. After the reaction is complete, the hydrogen gas has bubbled away, and the water can be evaporated or boiled away to recover the solid green nickel 2 chloride formed from the reaction. Let's look at chemical equations in more detail. The arrow means a change. In chemical equation, the arrow is often translated as forms or yields. The plus symbol is used to separate chemical formulas on each side of the arrow. If there is more than one chemical formula on a given side of the arrow, you must use the plus symbol. A chemical equation represents a change or something which occurs in time. The left-hand side is what you begin with in time. These chemicals are known as the reactants because they react. The chemicals on the right-hand side of the arrow are known as products because they are produced. These are the new chemicals that are formed due to the reaction.